I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I want.
Happy Friday! Welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli, guys. When I don't know how it go, I appreciate you all. For all the love that you guys have shown over this little period of time, for the support, thank you for the little support. And for all my new subscribers, welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. You guys remember to do the like up the vlogs, the content, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I like how you guys, communicated with me in the comment section. Yes. So guys, today is Friday. Just left work, guys. Started work at 7. Today is a short day. I'm going now to to get a mani and a pedi. I don't know my thing. Short, neat, nice. No, this is my own nails, so I'm gonna go get that done. Get a mani and a pedi. And then I go home to did I say Beres Hammond is in town? Yes, guys. Jamaican artist, old school, Beres Hammond, cultural singer. He's in Toronto today, and your girl will be there. And I'll be taking you guys along, of course. Yes, guys. So, mega do little self-care. It's long overdue. You work hard, you gotta take care of yourself. Yes, guys. So, and guess what, guys? My wig that I wore to Jamaica, it's lace front. The girl, I'm gonna try and install it today because I don't have no time, guys, to go out of town and something to install it. So yeah, I'll be doing it, and I'll be showing you guys. But pray for me, guys, because I don't know what I'll be doing, because I'm normally a closure girl, but in the front I'm gonna take on by myself, guys. I try to find lip gloss. Lip dry. Okay, I got it open. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm excited. Getting a little timid, guys. Just a little snack. I don't want to take too Tylenol. So, hi, good morning. Can I have the blackberry yuzu medium and a cinnamon raisin donut toasted with cream cheese, not too much cream cheese, and can I have the bagel cut, please? Yep, that's it. Thank you. Alright. This guy's just a little snack a girl needs in the morning. This morning all I had was my what did I have? My sea moss and a bottle of water. Yeah, that was it. Guys, this is where I get my nails done. Morning. Good, good, you? So guys, I got my nails done. Let me know if I don't like it. I wanted to do French tip, but she said I had to get the old gel off my nail first, you know, so that I keep filling the bio gel before she could do that. Yep. Hands them dry. Locks. Hands dry. Oh. Ooh. So guys, I got this done. Got my mani and my pedi all done. So I'm gonna stop by the beauty supply the beauty supply store and grab a soap for my mom and that headband thingy to melt the lace. Guys, me I do my old wig. Lord help me. Guys, I'm gonna be installing my wig myself. Yes. So I can't find the band that I have that I used to melt the lace when I was in Jamaica. I don't know if I left it by my mom or what, so I have to go get another one, because girl's gonna melt that lace. You better come out good, guys, because I have no other alternatives. This is just it. So I just invite the Holy Spirit to just guide these fingers and hands. Oh my God. I'm confident though. I should be able, because it's already cut and everything. So your girl should be able to, you know, just do a little thing to last her the night, right? Yep. Oh yeah, good. So my hand here look better now. Well moisturized. So anyway, guys, sooner or later when me get ready, I think I'm gonna vlog me installing that wig. Because guys, your girl want to go places. I want to be able to, you know, become an ambassador. You never know. So I'm have to practice on myself to install wigs. Next thing you know, company and send me wigs and stuff. I'm just install and I go on with myself. Yeah, so I'm gonna try. Guys, I look so tired. And I went to bed. You know, early-ish last night. I'm just tired. You can see it in my eyes. I hope I get to go home and grab at least a 1 hour power nap, because I want to leave Hamilton at about 3:34. You know, so maybe go home, get that air on, relax a bit, get up, shower, and get ready. So yeah, so my eyes them can brighten up and warm up. And right now one just look, but this eye is always lazy, guys. I was in an accident and yeah, my nerves, so sometimes it just doing one thing lazy. Anyways, guys, soon in a bit, alright? Guys, your girl gonna hey, guys, I'm gonna install my wig now. Watch me do the do. You know what I don't have, guys? I don't have the little small scissors. That's what I don't have. I saw see them girl do. Them cover them ears and everything. So I got the Eben Wonder Lace Bun. So yeah, I'm gonna put it here. So ooh, cold. Ooh. Why is it spraying like this? Guys, the oil like, you know, when the spray stuck in other things, it has spray lean and I go all over the place. Yeah, this better. Ooh, don't spray all in my ears. Oh, that helped me. You guys do not pray for me? Because this needs prayer. This needs prayer, guys. First time. Okay, guys, so I just put little foundation around them area. Hey, girl, I go out for the first time, eh? Guys, let me talk truth. Me not do too bad for your first timer. Like, this is not bad. Eh? I feel like I'm going good even though I'm not reach, you know? The challenging part. So guys, I just put a little foundation on the wig itself. So, make we see. Oh, guys. Holy Lord. So guys, this is what I'm gonna do right now. I don't know if I the right way, but I'm gonna get this out my face. So I'm using the hot comb to, you know, get the flyaways and stuff out of my face. Guys. Come on, E. Can you... So guys, okay. It's okay. I think
It's okay?
yeah. So guys, I think I need to cut this back a little. Yeah, because I'm seeing it under the lace. Yeah. So I'll cut that back a little. Yes. Bam! Eh. Guys, what lace? What lace? Huh? Is that what you all say? What lace? And guys, I'm gonna tag the ear company where I buy this from when I'm done. It's not a paid promotion, but I'm gonna tag them. I'm gonna tell you who I get this unit from. Okay, guys, so enough talking, Yoli. Let's get going. So, guys, I'm gonna pin this there, so. And
No, I don't want to.
yeah, yeah. I'm pin this here. So, guys, I'm gonna pray for me, cause this is where it gets, you know, difficult. So guys, I have a little Sinofia coming in, guys. The real Nuffy this, you know. No, it's okay. So guys, I'm gonna come back in a minute. You know, I'm gonna just flat out here, so with the flat the hot comb. So guys, I'm back. I'm back, guys. My sister laugh after me. Guys, it looks straight. Yeah. It looks straight, right?
Yeah.
Oh, my have it.
Yeah, man. Promise come.
I promise.
Hi.
Pray for mommy. Mommy needs prayer right now. It looks straight, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna lift this up a little now. Just like so. So, I see the girls, them do it. Guys, you see me still have me, even though I put a little makeup here, I still have my tan from Jamaica. So. Put little eat on this, guys. do this. Ay. Tina, come here. Does it look straight?
Mom.
Yeah?
Hey, wait, Pop?
Lollipop? Okay, tell them to give you one. Ask Akon for a popsicle.
Okay.
Can't come without clothes.
I'm on the vlog.
Girl, I get ready.
But just want you to see this before me start melting if it looks straight.
You can't pause it. Me change my clothes.
What's wrong with you?
I'll take off every WI.
Look straight?
This side I kind of look like it down more than this side. You know what I think?
Are you think I'm not sure me weld this up so?
Oh,
The clip, one of the clip higher than one?
come let me see if I can. I don't even think I fit at the clip, but it's not obvious. You get what I mean? I don't think I did clip, but it's not obvious.
So good.
And then you're going to bring it down or up?
No, I'm wearing it down.
Yeah, that's it good.
Guys, I'm gonna take out little baby here, not too much, because it's not like I'm a, you know, it's not like I'm a pro at it, so I'm not gonna take too much out, just a little. I should even take none. Cause I can't really comb baby hair. Hey, guys, this is where I'm at this moment. And this is the part where I'm no good at. I don't know nothing about them baby hair business here. I'm not going, guys. I'm not going too bad. I'm going too bad, guys. God help those who help themselves. Alright, that's how it go. So guys, let me try to figure down here so out now. Oh. Hey! Girl, I hella person, guys. Guys, if I catch this, you know, I gonna lead. Like, straight lead. I catch this. It not gonna be melting like them professionals, but you know, if I can't help myself, guys, that is that. Let's see one long piece in it, guys.
Oh, push it. No. Hello. You want? And flowers. Oh. It's flowers. I was slappy. I was slappy. I was slappy.
So guys, we see right here, so I'll lift up a little. So I'm gonna put a little of that this one. And then so then guys, man.
And there's Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol? Wow.
Okay. What did you want again? What you did want again?
What is it? The Nairobi, but when we come out and shower.
Okay.
Wait, pop. You eat the wait, pop? Yes. Oh. And mom, give me a wait, pop? Yes.
Hey, good. Guys, you gonna follow me here?
Wait, pop, so wait.
I'm just excited right now.
Oh.
Cause
So cute. Pop, so pop. Wow, that is noisy. What? Going back. What's that? It's me. Whoa. That's apple. Apple. Nope, going back.
okay guys, so I'm gonna put this down now.
This one.
Melt the lace.
No thing.
Mega melt it now.
Pop, chop, and ready pop. Don't eat the butter. It's not noisy. Why? It's not noisy. What's that?
Watch lace melting.
Oh no!
Melt me and melt these guys.
It's roaring the boo-boo.
Slide. Oh guys, excuse them kids' noise.
Wait, she's huh?
Yes,
Wait,
okay.
wait.
So let that go and melt, guys.
Okay,
And then me now.
it's not a board.
Promise? Promise?
Go.
Akon, I'm recording.
Can they see me in the background?
No, but I'm recording.
More?
Suppose me forget one little contract from the one wig here.
Okay.
Here nice them and me lock up the door, guys. You know, what if me think, you know, the seller say on me angle triangle the wig good. I say, hey, I want to send you a, you know, a unit for you to review. Like, guys, this is just water I'm putting on it right now. And this wig, guys, this is the wig that I wore to Jamaica. Very minimal shedding. One thing I have to give this company, guys, and I'm gonna put it on the screen. Yeah. One thing I have to say. And this is 200 density. Very minimal. And I kept it on for like what, 10 days in Jamaica before I throw it off. Yeah. So guys, this is all came out. Minimal. So guys, in the meantime, I have the wax stick. So I'm gonna put it here. And I'm just gonna try to, and even when I lift up this guys, the melting band, I'm gonna put some wax stick on it. some of the wax on it and flat and hot comb it. Go there, Yuli. Go there, Yuli. Go there, go there, go there, Yuli. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a little of my concealer and do something like that. I'll do it to the front after. So I'm gonna use, even though this concealer is a bit light, I'm putting too much because this, I'll maybe mix it with the foundation. Yeah. Is that too, I think that's too light. Wait guys, I'm gonna put little, so I put BioSilk guys, put a little, I put some in there when I washed it, but I'm gonna put some more. You know, you want your curls them popping. Yeah, want your curls them to be defined. I'm gonna put a little more. Put a little mousse. But a little later when I finish, I can still add a little bit more. And I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna twist it, guys. And this is the mousse that I'm using, Nairobi. Okay. Nairobi, baby. What? I can't believe, guys. Even though I'm not see it, but I feel so good. I did this. Guys, I normally just wear the closure. I can't do lace front, but why? I feel like I want to buy one lace front now. I try install it like myself, like fully install it myself. Come and grease up me uniforms. Guys, me wonder if I should have lift this up and say something. Guys, taught the truth. Where God love, me not do too bad. Guys, me not do bad. Period. Like, your girl help herself. Huh? Ooh, child. Guys, I forgot to call crowd of people. Cause this is a big deal. This is a big deal, guys. I can't do these things. Ow, cockaroo. As my bun my ears. I get too excited, man. Guys, I did it. Whoa, Yuli. You did it. You did it. Guys, I'm going to show my sister coming back. Guys, Rom is a silly mom. Guys, my angle the thing. My angle it. I'm going to talk truth. Talk the truth, guys. Ow! Guys, my burn me ears. We need to calm down. I need to calm down. Because in my day I burn up myself now. I get ahead of myself this moment. Okay, so we just need to put a little more right here. So come and say like, you want to lift up? And guys, a concert. We are going away sweating. Maybe I got go on. And then something there. So, but we'll put a little more. So, you know, me safe. Make sure me safe.
Where are you going? Go eat in the door. I find it. Help me.
For wife for this, guys. If I talk about bad man, I do my makeup, I have to clean up the stickiness. I clean it. Yeah, it was the makeup, guys. Yeah!
Yay, Daddy! Yeah, this doggy. Mom!
Yeah?
Look! Silly. Mom. It's skills. Mom,
Hmm?
what skills? What some skills? What's that? What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
What's that? What?
Skills?
What, fly?
That's why.
Guys, melt it back. Melt this baby back.
What's wrong?
Combing my hair.
Here?
I'm just here, Mr. Melt this baby back.
What? Really?
Yeah, really. She don't like comb hair here.
What?
Yeah. Do you want to comb yours?
No. Oh, I mean mess.
I know. Guys, promise I'm make a mess.
Mom.
I make a mess, guys, and I did. All this
Ew.
put together business. Pure mess me I make. So guys, see you guys when I'm getting dressed. Or doing my makeup, alright? Guys! Guys, guess what? Beres, we are gone. Guys, your girl is heading to, and look guys, look at the lace. Your girl did this on her own. Guys, my sister there, well, I'm there with her. My sister there with me. Yeah.
No, you there with me.
So guys, we are got Beres. We're on our way to Beres. We're running a little late, guys. No matter how we try, it not work. So, guys, you know it's early. We start get ready, and we say, oh, you know we're not late. We're reach down there, so we can go this and so we can go
Well,
that.
let's go 3 o'clock.
Guys.
What time now?
Guys, I'm not even gonna tell you no the time. Don't make no sense. I'm telling the time. But guys, anyway, we're en route to Beres, guys. The phone is giving me some issues, so I have to go delete some stuff. So I just like, you know, go now like an intro, make you know that me and Tina we're en route to Beres, and when we get there, we're not gonna join in. So all the Beres fans wanna make some noise. Guys, I love Beres. Growing up, you know, when I grew up, you never know that them songs you reach to an age where these
you
songs,
actually start appreciating
these songs, guys. Yeah, guys, I love to have fun, love clean fun, you know. Yeah, so you know we're at Beres, guys, you know. So we'll check in, you know, as time progress, you know. But me don't want to full up the phone right now. And then when me catch a Beres, me can't vlog, you know, that don't make no sense. You know what I mean? So guys, come on to Beres with us. Catching a later. While bounce to me now. Like you. All my church sisters. Yeah. Don't judge me. God's not like that. So guys, updates, guys. We're in traffic. It's currently 5:51, and the GPS so we're gonna get there 7:01, and the concert starts 7. But where you feel like say,
I'm gonna chop off little man. I'm gonna see the way I get there.
maybe we get there about 10 to.
Yeah.
But right now, guys, the highway is just like there's like we just passed one accident, and we don't know if this is traffic or just Friday evening traffic, or there's, you know, sometimes there's like car breakdown or so we are tried. We are going to try and we are going to turn this down. Copyright. They don't bother you if you're not going for too long. I hope not. Yeah, guys. So should I repeat this over just in case?
If that's like a minute of music.
Boy, those
That's a minute
so,
of music.
yeah, guys, we're in traffic right now, and GPS says 7:01, but we're gonna chop it off. But some people say, guys, because we did in the car take some selfie and some bad mind start going and words start spew. Them I talk about say.
Normally, I mean, I passenger seat.
Today I'm a passenger princess because I'm the vlogger,
Then go
right?
tell the vlogger all of a sudden people if you drive.
So guys, she said, yeah, I know. Oh, I'm only driving halfway because I want some selfie too.
It's a must.
You ever see nothing so?
It's a must.
Me never see nothing so. Them start spew words and I'm like, Who is she talking
Yeah,
to?
send some vlogger, influencer, and them just start take up people time.
You guys, you see them? I saw the highway going, juk, every minute.
Mm.
Oh my God. Guys, this wasn't planned. We said, me and Tina said, oh, we're going to leave out 3:30. And we are going, go down at the lake and
Take some
pictures and look one way 5:53.
I try and zoom through traffic.
Yep. Guys, this is us 5:53. And I think, guys, when we can go in the 2 lane, the HOV, say car.
Yeah.
I feel like when we can go in at that lane, we are going good. Yeah, so guys, I got to delete a few stuff off my phone. Guys, I can't believe that the 256.
But how many content you have though?
That's something I want.
Look on the Jamaica vlog. You must vlog and give the people them. It's like a 2 months there.
Guys,
Jamaica
can't
vlog.
wait. Jamaica out to know. When the most said she don't come back yet. Jamaica out to know, guys. So guys, me will check in again, alright? Guys, Tina make a wrong turn. The girl make a wrong turn.
All the other one look at 2 minutes. Either way we late.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
From 7:05 to 7:16.
No, it got on 7:07.
Okay, now we're at 7:60.
So either way, I know 15 minutes.
She said, well, look at 2 minutes, guys.
2, 3, what difference?
This up said turn 150.
Guys, you know when there's a sometime when there's detour or something, you know, it's a blessing in disguise. Make we call it that, yeah? Make we call it that, guys.
Yes,
Lifestylers, it's a blessing in disguise.
Turn right, then turn left.
We miss that turn there again. Stop chatting to me,
No. So, guys, she missed another turn.
You can't make these stuff up, guys. I guess so. Yes, right? Yeah, you have
Turn right
lifestylers.
onto Right
them.
Avenue, then
Your
turn right onto
lifestylers, them
Indian
are
Road.
confuse me, man.
Guys, I'm in shock.
You're not in no shock, guys.
At the
Guys,
stop
me,
sign, turn right onto Indian Road.
guys, me in
We
shock.
were meant to go on Indian Road.
Okay. She
Yeah.
said we were meant, guys. So, well, as long as me know Miss 20 rep.
In 300 meters, turn left onto
Only
Park Hill
rebel
Road.
sis. Hey, somebody you know about.
Guys, no, something
We're not
wrong.
making Miss Tony rebel, that's for sure.
Guys,
So we say, you're not Miss Tony rebel.
guys,
we
I
say.
only
Go
reach
past
at
the
20
stop sign.
rebel.
Then at the next one, turn
From
left.
Beres Hammond to 20 rebel. No, I'm
Tony
sorry.
rebel.
Uncle Tony.
We love you like a sweet vegetable, as I sang.
Yeah.
Are you that now?
Good. Hey guys, I hope I get Parkdale.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Parkdale Road.
That's it.
Then turn right onto
You
Glendale
don't
Avenue.
use this vlog, sis. You vlog, because it's your fault.
Guys, but now I said nothing to her because she looked somebody. Guys, I'm showing you some one-way street like with our Jamaica.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, check
Guys-
out the liquor.
Guys, maybe she never bring you guys through the
At the stop
streets. So
sign,
let's
turn
bring you
right
guys.
onto Glendale Avenue.
No,
Then turn
sir.
left onto the Queens
This
Way.
is Glendale Avenue. And then
Yeah.
we're going to turn on Queensway.
This coming like us in the day, they had drive on the liquor. You know? Through the
Me
lane.
first or you first?
Go on. It's not like we're there through the lane, guys. So,
Everything good, guys. Once guessing at the tank and we're drive, we're good, guys.
At the light, turn left onto the Queensway.
See, we're back in motion again.
But we could have gone further. Left. You got the right away. Left over there, son. Guys,
Over here.
yeah, Queen's Lane, isn't that Queen's Lane?
Anything else, sis? We are doing it.
Yeah,
Anything else?
it is.
Use the right lane to keep right onto King Street West.
Guys, you know what she had tried though? She had wait for me. She said where fi go and where fi turn. So when
No,
delay
guys.
happen,
Not at all. We're just sharing the responsibility. Sharing
right.
it. Yeah, show the people that may have
Street
zigzag
cars.
on the road. So show me street cars.
cars, see, street cars, guys.
Oh.
In 1 kilometer, turn right onto Jameson Avenue.
We're back in the city, guys. We're good.
Is
now.
this James?
Lord, you only one mistake we make and all of a sudden we can know directions.
We'll have to make sure.
How far we come from, you know? Just look at we know. People don't know these songs.
Guys, downtown.
What kind of music is that playing in the car?
Oh, God.
Gosh.
Rogers Center over there. Guys, we don't reach yet. And that's that.
That. Again, not tell them nothing, man. We not tell them. Tell promise.
Guys. Guys, after many detours, we're like, wow, 8 minutes away after many detours. Guys, I think what's the issue in Toronto right now?
So
There's-
much construction.
So the GPS is confused. So, you know,
Lots of U-turns and stuff.
yeah. But that for do we, guys. Right when we say we are left. This is what we were trying to avoid. And but we almost get
In 400 meters, turn right onto Polson Street.
so not good on, guys. Guys,
Continue for 800 meters.
see, rebel.
$25 park.
In 400 meters,
Where?
the destination is on your left. 11 Polson Street.
Over here, so done. I did that, right?
Well, I guess. Okay, so we reach. You don't have cash? You have cash?
Yeah.
Okay. Girl, come prepared, man.
Guys, we reach.
Finally.
Thank you, Jesus.
Amen.
Girls, them come out in them heels and something.
Heels?
See
Then
that?
we're not ready yet, sis. We're not ready yet.
Come visit Tony Rebel. I went here.
Why you keep on asking Tony Rebel? You want to see Tony Rebel?
Come visit Beres Hammond. Oh, God. Guys, so we are outside. Oh, Sanga. We're outside. Guys,
We did not try to remember this song we're going to do, but we couldn't remember.
there's this thing on TikTok, a viral thing. We outside. And then, like that.
Yeah.
Fear rhythm already.
I feel already. You off, as usual. Guys, you know this song we are talking about.
We're outside. We reach, guys. Alright. Just make you know we land safe.
She's going to take a 1-2 picture so you can see it too.
Yeah. Let's go. Wait, yo. Beres. Guys, we keep saying 20 Rebel. Beres. Yeah. Wait. So you watch we pass, yo.
I didn't. I just saw you walking up now.
Oh, really? With the camera, right?
Yeah, so she's vlogging. I gotta get on.
Who did you come with, Tanya?
No, my boyfriend and then my friend Katie.
Oh,
Right
okay.
there. So we're waiting for Georgia
Oh, okay.
and all of them to get here.
All right, I'll see you inside.
Yes.
All right.
It's still a
Yes,
run.
guys, yes. So we're going to Beres. I don't know where this 20 rebel. Like, guys, I don't know about me sometimes. Yes, please. So, come on.
Guys,
Girl
we finally
outside.
reached
Yes, guys.
tour and all, but with Zaya.
Safe and sound in
Yeah.
Jesus' name. Guys, then
Hey,
we'll
she's a real church girl, now, guys. It's not about in Jesus' name.
Guys, safe and sound. But guys, it look like so we're early. Because yes, the parking lots are full up. Yes, there was a lineup, but you know, show no really start.
Also, there's a parking over there. So I saw the overflow that way, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure.
The overflow, you know, but
She said-
yes, so that not there.
She said we're parking at the overflow, guys.
Yeah, we reached. We just reached.
Well, the good thing is we wear flat shoes. Guys, we wear flat slippers, so
So when we did
we're good. We can walk.
Yeah, is it all here?
We can walk. So guys, we're gonna check out Bonnick's West Indian Grocery. One of the best things of eating. Hey girl. Get dressed for it. Guys, Bonnie's in life now. Yeah. Hey guys, this is Bonnie. Big. Hey, please come on. You have the ticket?
You guys got tickets already?
Yeah.
Which one is the first lane for VIP? Good walking up there. Beres!
parents and these things in the crowd and everything there.
Yes, big people, son.
Yes.
First time.
Auntie,
Yes.
uncle, mommy, daddy.
Yes.
But it's going to be a friendly vibe tonight.
Pure
Good
vibes. Yeah.
Love is in the ear tonight.
Big much love in the ear.
First stuff.
Yes.
You ready?
We're ready to complete you. Foundation. Everybody, hey, hey.
They want to take away mortgage, brethren. The interest rates higher than audacity rates, you know. What a audacity. Come on, man, interest rates will come on. Anybody with their panic variable, not there tonight. They're not there tonight. Because variable got way up high, and fixed people are laugh after it. But when they pay 1.68, and now when they pay 6.79, we don't know what to pay with mortgage. But sometimes we get tired of the interest rate. So we're gonna run some music, not too much talking tonight. You see all of the events that are going on. Make some noise for White Boy and Infamous. You don't know them, and they're making some big things. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, in the meantime, in between time, big up my man Presto, Kid Cut, all of the DJs, all the people. 2 sold out shows, Toronto. Give yourselves a round of applause. 2 sold out shows for the king of reggae music. All right. So Blacks, you ready, Papa?
A Blacks done the place. No, Ada.
Next level.
Love and hate can never be fake.
If you remember these songs, I want you to sing with your heart.
I don't really know the artist's name, and I don't know the name of the song, but me know how this song sound. And you see this song right here, if you like it, put 2 hands in the ear and sing on the plane. Play that to them. Sing on the plane. Sing on the plane. Everybody else sing.
Okay, but what island we forget?
No, you didn't forget any. You didn't forget any. Did he forget any? You can't forget Jamaica. You can't forget Jamaica. What I don't keep them. What I don't keep them. You're not doing it right. You're not doing it right. What on? Big up Kid Cut and J Martin. Right now we feel good. Look around people. Look around yourself. Look around. Look how beautiful people. Good pretty ladies, man. All the man we know is out there, put you one there. Bust one in the body and say, boop, 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 boop. All do them say we old. We don't cool. We don't get up the party. Big up the whole of the Caribbean. But you see when I play this tune, even if you don't come from the island, boy, you wave a curtain. But when you shoot back here, drop it.
Eternal Father,
everybody we are someone.
guide us with thy mighty. Keep us free from evil. Be our guide to our leaders, great defenders, turn to justice, truth be all forever. Jamaica, 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 and we.
I
Beres isn't here. And a star, we are starting. And a star, we are starting. Watch this man telling me listen, Beres is here. This is not no long time, old time show where you need to know what the man reads. The man is in the country. You think white boy never bring on white boy next door? See, Beres is manager right there. He's getting everything ready. And a lie we tell. If you put up on the bar, you gotta be to keep this low part. I'm joking. It's my good shoes, that's all. My good shoes. I'll be really back to me, big up yourself. You know what the joke is, people? I need to say something real quick. You know they charge and they do different prices. And everyone in here, pick up yourself, you're all VIPs. Black one, you're VIP everyone. All right. VIP. You're VIP. All right. We have one more set. We do. Don't say that. Listen, the management may say when he's coming, he's here. If Barbara drink the water, use the restroom, enjoy yourself. Alright? Why that putting up is a shining about me.
Seriously. The man is here. They have to make sure everything. No, come on now. I would never do that to you. I would never stand in front of 3,000 people alive. Right?
We have about 15 more minutes.
Yeah.
If Beres was to walk on the stage right now and you heard this sound, what would you say?
Hold on.
Ladies, the people with the good energy in their hearts say, what else? Ladies,
Good man. Hold on. Listen, this is a big night for me, and it's a big night for you. So I have to make sure say it's right. Alright? So hold on. Coming into the venue. Alright, you see listen to what he has to say. Listen to what he has to say. Let's go. We are ready to go, okay? We are ready to go, all right? We have to make sure the bus come in and get Beres off the bus. The bus come in now.
Listen, carefully.
You're wasting time.
Hold on, you are wasting time. Hold on.
You're wasting time.
Oh, respect that, Presto. Hold on. You try. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, truth be told, I just personally had a conversation with Beres.
Me too.
I'm not lying to you. Beres has been traveling for 48 hours from Los Angeles to be here tonight. So he's about to perform to you. Come on. I don't hear him now move. Toronto, do better than that. You're way better than that. I wouldn't stand here, the promoters wouldn't stand here and act like he's not here. He is here. He just needs about 10 minutes to get ready to perform. That's it. He's here. Why you guys carry on like that? Toronto, this show is sold out. Everyone wanted to be here and you're here.
But give me a shot.
So let's go. On behalf of all the promoters, we just want to let you guys know, Beres, don't worry, when he comes, you're going to hear, you're going to see his hands start shaking. You're going to hear, all this time, he's ready, he's stuck to me, baby. And you're going to love it. So Toronto, please. If you like Beres, make some noise in here, please. Alright, so we're gonna play a little music. Beres will be here, I guarantee you, in less than 10 minutes. He's here. He'll be on stage. Dance are coming out, everybody's coming out. Hit me down with you.
Yes, that's me. I am blessed.
You are blessed.
I am blessed. Every day of my life, I am blessed.
You are blessed.
What's up with us?
Yo, we know the problem, Because Beres is here. We are already here.
Been here.
But we hear people are move.
Right.
And they not tell you how to spend your money, but it must be because they don't have no drinks. All of them are drinking in your hand right now. Play the trumpet. Play the trumpet right now. Beres is here. Enjoy the music. Enjoy. Take your time.
And as you come out, Black, as you come out, hey.
Working hours.
Yeah,
Look how we're looking on it.
The living legend. He really wants you to make some noise. Toronto, please show some love for the one we all came to see, Mr. Beres
to dance out there. Time to get rolling. Give yourself a load that fresh air. Nature's holy. Can you come and get your share? Can you sing the news? What's the news? The news rise and shine. Rise and shine. With your mind. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Time to slip away. Yes, the day is already gone. Before you know it, tomorrow will be no more. Are you listening? Are you keeping the score? If you say the news, what's the news? The news that step. Rise and shine. In your blood. Rise and shine. 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 God help me please. Your point is finished. When you get about a woman going, I love it.
We love you, Beres!
I'm going to do something here. That's why I'm not going to like it yet. upstairs who knows you're in and out. How do you say thank you to the man upstairs who knows every man's been about? How do you say thank you to the source of the life, that very breath you take? How do you say thank you for every morning that you wake? Simple love will do. You don't need the money, but I need the money. Just love somebody. I love you, man.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say